and welcome to my channel. My name is Rosina. Today we are going to learn how to make washing powder. If you are new here, I encourage you to subscribe and press the notification bell so that you get updates anytime I upload a video. If you have already subscribed, thank you. These are the ingredients needed for making washing powder. Glycerin, base, soda ash, booster, fragrance, silicate. When you are making your washing powder, you put your base and soda ash in a bowl and mix with your hand. You add your booster, silicate and glycerin and mix it well. You add your fragrance and put it in the sun to dry. You are done with your washing powder. Let's get started. I will put my soda ash into my bowl. I will add my base gradually and mix with my hand till I get the texture I want. Do you like this video? If you like the video, I will encourage you to join my WhatsApp group. Pay only 50 Ghana cedis and you'll be added to the group. To learn more about the products, registration, branding and marketing of the product, I will leave the link to the WhatsApp group in the description box. Follow the link to join the WhatsApp group. I will add some of the base. If you are in Ghana and you went for a training and the training has this video or any of my videos on a pen drive given to you, I don't work with them. So if you do and get any problem, please call them. If you want me to train you, call the number up on your screen. If you need ingredients for this product, call the number below the screen. Thank you. Then add your glycerin, your booster and silicate. Glycerin, silicate, booster powder, Do you like this video? If you like the video, I will encourage you to join my WhatsApp group. Pay only 50 Ghana cedis and you'll be added to the group. To learn more about the products, registration, branding and marketing of the product, I will leave the link to the WhatsApp group in the description box. Follow the link to join the WhatsApp group. I will add my fragrance and put it in the sun to dry. We are done with our washing powder. This is how we make washing powder. This video is when you want to make small quantity in the house. So if you want to make it in large quantity, you can call me. As I said earlier, if you are new here, do well to subscribe and press the notification bell. Like, share and put all your comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching.